Hello, it's Liz here and welcome to my channel. I'm here today to show you the final flip through of the Alice in Wonderland Golden Book. I have previous videos showing you how I altered the Golden Book, how I took it apart, and another video showing you how I put the 3 signatures in, adding some buttons to the spine. I also have previous videos decorating some of the Alice postcards. There's one for each of the postcards, and there's also a video showing some of the altered playing cards. So we'll just go through it quickly and I'll show you what I've done. So we've got a little pocket there that's decorated. And this page has got some collage on it. This is a postcard. There's a, like I say, there's a video separately on the postcards. That's the Golden Book page. There's some decoration on there. Another postcard in a pocket that's been sewn. Some lace. And this is a little pull-out piece of journal card with another little one in behind there, and just one of the playing cards just popped on a little clip there. Some decoration here with the book page, another playing card, some stamping, some cups to match the cups on the paper. This is the Stamperia Alice paper. That's one of the book pages. This is just 2 little flippy tags, some stamping, some washi tape, and a little piece of the patterned paper there. That's the middle with the bigger featured picture, some stamping, and let's see. I've also left some of the pages plain, and I intend to just put some lined paper there for some journaling. There's also some space on some of the pages for journaling. That's been stamped. And also I could add some plain paper there and here for some journaling. This is a stamped rabbit. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to be using. This is stamped, the book 4. And a stamp there. It might take the place of one of my traveller's notebooks that's nearly finished. This is a decorated postcard, just clipped in with a fancy clip. And one on the other side. This is a little pocket, some paper flowers. This is just a little, I don't know what all these officials, this is probably called something, I don't know. It's not a belly band, I hate the word belly band. I'm going to start calling them tummy bands, because it doesn't go, so I know it doesn't go from end to end, so I don't know if it's maybe just a slip-in pocket or something. I'm not sure of the proper terminology yet. These are just stickers and a little flower. Yeah, so I might use it to replace stamped. And this is one of the playing cards that there's a video for. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. I do coffee visits to different coffee shops in one of my traveller's notebooks, and it's nearly done, so I might use it for that. This has been stamped. That's one of the postcards. A little stamp there. Some journaling space. So yes, it'll get used for journaling. Just not quite sure what yet. This is a napkin. It's been stuck in there. From the book. One of the pages stamped here with some paper flowers. And a key, a wooden key with a clip. That's just clipped in there. Little spot. And this is a spot here. That just comes out. That one. One of the playing cards. There's a video for that. Stamped rabbit. and another rabbit, and the final signature has got plenty spots with another rabbit. I must have liked that rabbit, and one of the playing cards there that's been decorated, collaged, some toadstools stamped, pile of books stamped, and a journaling spot there, and just a postcard popped in there. That's been clipped onto 2 pages. And sort that. And then the centre page is one of the nice illustrations from the Stamperia pad. This one's more grungy, it's got texture on it. That postcard just clipped in there. One on the back. Some stamping. More stamping. One of the cards that's been collaged again. And a little wooden key and a lock. And there. So it was a really enjoyable project to do. I'll need to find a nice piece of ribbon or seam binding or something for I didn't have anything that matched at the moment, but I'll tie something round it. But it's not too bad if you hold it closed. If you let it go, it opens up a bit, but it's nice and chunky. So that's my first ever completed altered book, junk journal, adding little bits. First time I've ever done that. Thoroughly enjoyable. It definitely won't be the last. My other altered golden book is my nature journal, and I'll need to get back onto that, so you can look for that in a future video. And anyway, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed that quick flip through, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.